Yeah.
These guys are getting fucking absolutely nice. There's a little biker.
Fuck, man, that one wanted that.
Fucking hit it, eh?
Oh yeah,
Nice.
3 times he chased it.
Got it. Oh, he's out. Watch out. There you go. Nice.
That's it.
Little pike. The next one, wasn't it? We're out fishing for.
Nice.
There we go.
That's a
Nice one,
decent
buddy.
bite.
Yeah, fuck yeah. Better than we caught at the pike tournament all day. Good job, man. Woo.
Right on.
Fuck. Nice one, man. Nice colors on him too, eh? Nice and healthy.
Nice
Right.
colors on this pike. Decent
Nice.
pike for the morning. Orange spinnerbait.
Nice breaker.
Nice. Well, Matt.
Kind of. Good job, buddy.
And when you're walking through that, it's
There you go.
Jesus.
A little feisty fella.
Did you see that?
A little tail
This
flapper.
guy is not happy about being caught. Don't worry, you're going right back in. Another beautiful pike. Yeah, I'm going to left. Who? That. Who? Oh.
Nice little smallie.
Yeah.
Want the net?
No.
Nice. They also like currents and points. Fucking eggs.
No. Baby smallmouth. Anything is better than nothing, you know.
Like realistically.
That one?
You're good. Little feller. Ah, you broke the ice. Thank you, little feller.
There you go.
Thank you, little feller. I won't do. Good to kind of know hot. Well, and it was for sandstorm protection.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Little pike.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Well, wait for this every year. Need a hand?
Oops. Man, such beautiful colors today. Hey?
Right. Oh yeah.
There we go.
Nice.
Jeez, decent pike.
You're on you, Jake. Such a good job.
Huh?
You're doing such a good job, I didn't have the time to get down.
Another spinnerbait fish. Another spinnerbait fish. Beauty of a pike. Nice takes. The famous saying. Oh, nice!
Or you can tail that as a beat, definitely beat the net.
Nice hook
Oh,
set.
no, we're good. There we go. A little bit nicer.
Huh?
Not a giant, a little bit nicer. They've all, it's nice when you catch them at the end of the.
Yeah.
Okay, buddy. How's that, pliers?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, they're pretty good pike today, man.
Yeah. Well, the cold front came in and now it's turning warm, so I was hopeful.
Oh yeah, nice.
There we go. I was
Sick.
hopeful that they'd be turning up today. Got my medical license.
Oh, okay, yeah.
They're always going really.
There we go.
Bessie? Got a little Bessie, Jake. Oh, yes, we do. Oh, that's a nice Bessie.
Nice.
Walleye,
Oh my
buddy.
god.
Fucking spinnerbait walleye. And it's open too, so if you want to. Nice walker, buddy. Love it.
Look at this. What a beauty, eh? Look at the fin right up.
Jay on the water. Gonna Jay on the water.
Yeah.
Switch it. Okay, you're on. Legal, we should have kept it, but it's going back to get bigger. There we go. Good job, man. Woo! Lucky we got the monkey.
Nice tail, eh? Nice fish.